Welcome class first. In English first, our next lesson is where are my peanuts? Peanuts are this. This is our peanuts. We usually eat this in a winter season. So let's see what happened in this story. So this story is about a squirrel and she was brown in color. So everyone called her. Her name was Brownie and she was living in a big jamun tree. Everyone likes something to eat. This brownie always loved to eat peanuts. One day she found a tiny basket, means very small basket full of peanuts, and in that boxes peanuts were there, and she was very happy. And she thought she will eat a lot of peanuts. The peanuts were very crunchy. Crunchy means it makes noise when beaten, and yummy means delicious. And she saves some peanuts for tomorrow also. Brownie takes all the peanuts and keep near the window and sleep. The next day when she saw peanuts was not there, now she was very sad. She was looking and searching the peanuts here and there, but she couldn't find the basket. Now she start asking everybody, where is my peanuts? She was asking again and again, have you seen my peanuts? One crow were there whose name was Ka. He saw Brownie is running here and there, so he stopped her and asked, what happened, Brownie? Why are you running? So Brownie said, have you seen my peanuts? So she was asking to the crow also. Crow replied, no dear, I haven't seen. Brownie was asking to the sparrow also, but sparrow also replied that they didn't know about the peanut basket. After that she asked Chichi monkey for her peanuts, but Chichi monkey was also not knowing about the peanuts. Again she go and asked the Appu elephant. Monkey told ki go and ask the Appu elephant. Brownie was very much sad and she was full of tear in her eyes. She has asked lot of animals but nobody was knowing about the peanut. Now she was tired also. Then after that she go and asked to the Appu elephant. Appu elephant was playing with the ball. She asked that Appu elephant, have you seen my peanuts anywhere? So Appu elephant went to the big tree and bring the full of peanut basket. And elephant asked, are these your peanuts? Brownie was now very happy and said, yes, 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 these are my peanuts. Where do you find them? Now Appu starts saying his story that he was playing under the jamun tree and that basket fell on his head, and he picked up that basket and keep it with him. Now Brownie is thinking, oh, how silly I am. I have kept my peanuts near the window. It must be fall down due to the wind. Brownie said thanks to Appu for helping her. Then she shared the peanuts with Crow, Sparrow, Monkey and Appu. So Crow was saying, you are very lucky, Brownie. Appu found the peanuts, but you should be more careful. Then Brownie said, I will always take care of my things properly. So now let us see the exercise. This exercise you will do in book. Okay, take the correct answer to complete the following sentences. Brownie found a, what Brownie found? Basket of apple, basket of peanuts, basket of chocolate and basket of grapes. So only one is the correct answer. In front of the correct answer you will tick. So Brownie found basket of peanuts. So the peanuts were crunchy and yummy, rotten, soiled and dirty or pretty. So the answer is crunchy and yummy. Okay. The next is Brownie lived in a nest small hole in a banyan tree, small hole in a jamun tree, none of above. So she lived in a small hole in a jamun tree. Brownie kept the basket of the peanut near the stool, window, chair and table. Window is the correct answer. Tick the correct answer. The crow's name was Ka, Appu, Ra or Chichi. So the crow name was Ka. Appu was the name of elephant. Now do work in the copy. Write date firstly and the lesson number. Lesson number is lesson 6. What is the lesson name? Lesson name is Where Are My Peanuts? So firstly what we will write? Keywords in peanuts. So first is squirrel. 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 Then crunchy. CRUNCHY. Then peanuts. PEANUT. Sparrow. SPARRROW. Swinging. Swinging means moving back and forth. Tired. It means when we need rest, we feel tired. Moment. Now do question answer. Write question number 1. Name the monkey and the elephant. What is the name of monkey? Chichi. And what is the name of elephant? Chichi and Appu. Let's stop. Right, next question. Question number 2. Who found Brownie's peanut? So, who found? What is the answer? Appu the elephant. Appu the elephant. Full stop. So everyone complete this work. Read the chapter, underline the hard words, click the pictures and send in the group. Thank you.